you see like giant people and then smaller people.
Yeah.
And then the smaller people serving the giant. Did you see that? Those, yeah.
Messiah.
Overrun the small people, so the small people have to serve them, i.e. kings now.
Messiah
that?
King.
In 1827, after Shaka Zulu's mother died, he started a year of mourning where any woman that was found pregnant with her husband was to be executed.
Like as I said, if people on the story, that's what half the time I'm saying it's painful because people not checking, man. Zulu is savage. The worst thing Africa ever seen is the Zulu. And the Zulu and the Somalian and the Shanti people. That's the worst people Africa ever seen. Is those people.
What about the Yorubas? They also play the bad.
Their story is a little bit different.
Okay.
The story, the Yoruba story is not like that. Their story is another story, but it's not that one. We are talking about the militant side. Remember, the Yoruba was known as the young king of the Jebo side. You see what I'm saying? Yoruba are descended from the Jebo side. Yeah.
This cannot of who told you that you about this cannot of Jerusalem. See, I'll be listening to your Yoruba topic, like including when you had the picture of Olokun, the Benin deity. The way you guys are classifying our own Edo tribe deity to Yoruba people, it's not good. Edo people, we don't have any business with Yoruba. Yoruba people, they are like Fulani. They came to West Africa, they came to our land. We are more closer to Igbo people than Yoruba. We don't have any business. They are not descendants of any Ijebu land. Stop saying that. All those Yoruba people, they are more Fulanis than what you guys are thinking. We don't have business with them.
Like as I said, where there's imposter, there are 10 mind. You understand? And where our people in that region can declare themselves. Like as I said, I'm not saying what you said is wrong. Our people is among, but it's heavily under what we now call the nomad.
I'm telling you, the same pyramid this guy is talking about now. There's pyramid in Benin. Go to some Yoruba land. They don't have anything like pyramid there. Those people, they are not like descendant, or they are not the first people that we are in this West Africa. The Benin people, the Edo people, the Igbo people. Like some of the Igbo people, not all the Igbo people together. Some Igbo people are from Cameroon. They are from other places, but there are some typical places that are from Benin, Edo.
I'm not talking about those people, man.
No, you know, you are classifying Yoruba people like they are from Ijebu. They are descendants of Ijebu. They are not descendants of Ijebu. Ijebu people are from Ijebu directly. They don't have descendants that are Yoruba. Yoruba people are like Fulani. They came to those places like warrior to erase the real people that came from there.
Just see what I'm saying. The study stated that the Yoruba was a young prince of the Canaanite. The Jebo are Canaanite. I'm not talking about the people of the land. Our people might be amongst them. I'm not referring to them. Because even the Yoruba capture a lot of the Igbo people and have them under the umbrella. Just like the Oromo, just like the Zulu, yeah, just like the Akan. All of these nomadic people did the same thing. They came there and somebody was already living there. They don't care.
Yes.
They took over and put the people under one umbrella. So you just when I talk, you already know your people are not of that stock. So I'm not talking to you in that same. I'm just talking about because they've been imposter. Say again?
Didn't the Jews do the same thing though? Because the Jews went into the land of Canaan and then they took over that land.
No Jews went to the land of the Canaan, but the Israelites did, not the Jews. Jews and Israelites is two different things, but like as I stated before, they keep on messing up things today.
Yoruba don't have history. Their history they are claiming it belongs to the Edo tribe of Nigeria. Yoruba don't have any history. The one saying that Oba of Benin is a Yoruba man. The only business we have with them is when Izodua went to Yoruba land and when Benin was having issue. That is the only business we have with them. So okay, maybe we married their female child now and gave birth to a boy. It's still a Edo man. It's not a Yoruba man. That is the only business we have with them. We the Edo tribe, we are not Yoruba. We are believing in that land before the Yoruba came to those places.
Greetings, Moses.
I don't know you that have mark in their face like those Sudanese and Fulani people. They have long mark on their face.
You know that I see some people in Nigeria, some parts of Africa, they love to say, "Oh, we are one people, we are the same people, and the white man come to divide us." But that's a lie, because first of all, when you look at the Zuluz, why would they build spear and shield, right, for fighting? So if you're all peaceful, you don't need to build weapon. All you need to build is farm utensils to dig the ground and plant food. If you're a loving set of people, all of us wasn't living together. Even Nigeria, I saw a documentary where Nigerians were taking money from Britain, right, to analyze the Igbo people. And they starved them. Igbo was fighting back, but they couldn't win because they used starvation. So that's why they gave up, right? The same Nigeria, they plot with them. Just like today, the Igbo people, businesses have been burning down in Nigeria. And I don't see no other people, no Yoruba business burning down. Only the Igbo people section store burn down all the time. And when the fire brigade come to hold the fire, they come without water in the truck. What kind of madness is that? So this up until today, these people still wicked, right? You can't hide, you can show a pretty smile today, but once you're a serpent, you're still a serpent. You're deadly. So no matter how you try to camouflage, you're still deadly within yourself. So only time will tell, right? These people never change. They are still evil, still oppressing one set of people. All of us, all of them in Africa don't go through oppression. When you look in Congo, I don't see Yoruba people mining field in Congo, right? Their children.
They never change, bro. They never change.
Huh?
They never change, man. It's the same shit. That's the thing.
So they
People
love
are
to
going through hell in that. I wanted to ask him how did these guys come to join us, man? Is the worst thing that has happened to our people, the Igbos, you know, because they use them. They can easily be manipulated by the YTs, you know, and we're not one. We're not one. Their behavior, their character, they cannot be trusted. You can make a deal with a Yoruba man now, he will turn around and betray you. Straight up.
Exactly.
Straight up. You're not even gonna wait 1 minute, he will just betray you. Straight up. That's the thing. How can we be together? Because we have the same color doesn't mean we are one. We're not. I mean, thank you for this, man. Thank you, bro.
That's true, man. Even right now, we're seeing it with Russia, right? They won't let Russia, be part of that NATO alliance. Because Russia disbanded the Soviet Union, and they wanted to join NATO, but NATO wouldn't allow them.
Hey, TikTok family, I might have to leave you guys now. Catch you guys tomorrow. Later on, because I got a few hours for to get some sleep, so I could go to the plantation.
Okay, take care, Messiah. Good life.
Okay, Moses. So tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow will be a better run because I'll be outside for a little.
Good night. We can talk tomorrow.
Yeah, I appreciate it, family. Thanks, guy, for you.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Uh,